Who are the suppliers that design, manufacture, and support industrial heat rejection solutions for global mission-critical facilities?
The answer is simple. You need a global company that manufactures industrial, best-in-class heat rejection products, leads in R&D with cutting-edge innovation, provides a vertically integrated manufacturing network to support hyperscale projects. That company is EVAPCO. Would you like to know more?
Over the past decade, advancements in big data, Internet of Things, automation, and AI have transformed industries. These digital technologies have one thing in common: the need for tremendous amounts of heat rejection. EVAPCO recognized this need and developed large-scale sustainable cooling solutions. Their engineers design energy and water-efficient solutions using computational fluid dynamics and airflow modeling to stay ahead of market demands.
At EVAPCO, we specialize in creating customized solutions for mission-critical projects with large heat rejection requirements. We work with our end users to understand their unique constraints, such as water and power availability, elevated ambient conditions, restricted sound levels, or limited space for equipment installation. Our full spectrum of heat rejection systems includes evaporative, hybrid, adiabatic, and dry cooling options in factory-assembled or field-directed configurations.
To minimize risk and ensure the highest quality, we manufacture a majority of the components and sub-assemblies for our products. For example, we produce our own stainless steel tubes used in our heat exchanger coils, which form the core of our successful EcoAir dry and adiabatic cooler products. This ensures efficient thermal performance, superior corrosion resistance, and lower lifecycle costs compared to copper or carbon steel alternatives.
We also design and manufacture our own PLC control systems to optimize water and energy savings for every client's unique project needs. We embrace the notion that there's no one-size-fits-all strategy and thrive on designing the best solution for each and every project.
You need a company that delivers on time, operates globally, prioritizes sustainability, and provides industry-compliant products backed by independent certifications.
EVAPCO's global manufacturing facilities and vertically integrated processes ensure full control over product quality and on-time delivery. Their products meet the highest quality standards and certifications across all facilities, ensuring global clients receive equipment that complies with local codes and standards, no matter the project location or manufacturing facility. EVAPCO demonstrates its commitment to sustainability with a UL-certified environmental product declaration for its EcoAir Series dry coolers and control systems.
EVAPCO excels at delivering cutting-edge heat rejection solutions at our Wilson E. Bradley Research and Development Center. We perform a wide range of product analyses, including rigorous fatigue testing, airflow analyses, acoustical and thermal performance evaluation and certification, and control system development. These are just some of the many initiatives fueling our innovation and driving the industry forward. In recent years, we've had an increased focus on large tonnage, independently certified heat rejection equipment to satisfy the increasingly complex needs of data centers and mission-critical projects. Our relentless research and development enables us to lead the market in the design of hyperscale solutions for not only data centers, but also manufacturing, heavy industry, and renewable power.
From planning to project execution to aftermarket support, EVAPCO is more than an equipment vendor. They are a true partner for life. Whether supporting data centers, crypto mines, power generation, or heavy industry, EVAPCO delivers unmatched reliability, exceptional product quality, extensive R&D expertise, and a vast global manufacturing network. This positions them as the trusted single-source solution for all their customers' 24/7 mission-critical needs.
The choice is clear. You need to contact EVAPCO.